Hello, you are welcome to Learning Guitar with Big J. Today I'll be showing you how to play the C major scale on A form.
You can play your A form at this parts of it. This is the phrase you use to play your C major scale. So let me show you how to play it. To play this, the A form of C major scale, you will place your finger on the first finger is going to play anything on the second fret. The second finger will play anything on the third fret. The third finger anything on the fourth fret. The fourth finger anything on the fifth fret. So that's how we roll, man. So we start with G. No, let's start with C. So C, my second finger is playing C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So at the second string there's a shift. At the second string there's a shift. So they it's supposed to continue with this, but there's a shift from year to year. From year to year. So when you get to this part, which is 1, 2, that's the A, B, C. So you want to play D. Instead of playing it here, you play it here. Because there is a shift on that string. So we have 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. That's how we play it. A, B, C, D, F, G, A. So let me play from the beginning. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, F, G, A. And playing it backward, there's a little different way of playing it back. So from the A, G, there's F, E, D. This is normal. This is normal. So playing C, you're going to play C with this finger.